Hello, this is Chris from SlashGear. Today we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10.1. This is the device that's just come out in the USA, and it comes with its unique build and unique set of applications, etc. Now what we're going to look at today is a couple of things that Samsung has built in for multitasking. Now the first of them is something you've seen before. This comes with Ice Cream Sandwich. If you tap over here on the button here, it shows recent apps. You're able to do a couple of unique things. You can toss these out like this. Obviously the look of this looks different for Samsung. You're also able to go remove all, or you can go to Task Manager. If you go to Task Manager, this again is similar to what you've seen before for Samsung, but you're able to do things like manage your RAM, manage your storage, and check out your active applications as separate from your downloaded applications in a very easy to use interface. The next thing we can look at down here, this is kind of with the update to Samsung Galaxy Tab line, which is a little sort of drawer down here. Now this drawer can be opened almost anywhere, no matter what application you're in, and you can pop things on top of what you're already doing. Now if you want to, for example, play some music, you can do that while you're doing other things. Below that, we're going to go ahead and play this quick here. So you can see it sort of fades back down like that while we're doing whatever we want to do, and we can stop it. We can also tap that to see what album we're on. Obviously that's just the built-in song right there for Samsung, and you can do not a whole lot, but it's just made so that you can make it work like that. That brings you into the full application. If I tap back out here, another one we can look at here is S-Note. Another way to get to this particular thing is to, let's tap this back out, is to hold down the button and tap twice, and you get it right there. And you can, with this you can make a note, and you go ahead and save it and use it for later. Tap out like that. The last thing we look in for multitasking is if we go into an app. Now this doesn't work with every app so far, but some of them. If you go into Gallery, you can see this little button right here. If you tap multi-screen, you're able to work with several different applications. So you can go with Internet, Polaris Office, S-Note, Video Player, and Email. We're going to go work with Video Player. If we do that, you can see what we can do here. You can select applications, which is what we just did. We can close applications, simply switch which window is in which place, like that. And you can drag and drop things back and forth between these. Now, obviously that works really well here if I would have a video, which I could do like this, for example. I could move it over here, but we already have it right here. So what we're going to do here is play this, like so. You see this is going this. Meanwhile, we can continue to browse on this side. Let's open up an image here if we can. This is actually going to have to access it from the web, so it'll just take a sec. Like so. You can share it from there. Meanwhile, this is going at the same time. So once you do this, some things are limited. Obviously, you can't get to an image. You can't make it big. For example, you can't make a giant right there. You can share it. This works at full speed. Obviously, it looks really nice. And you go stop it there and pop it closed once again. Just like that. Now I'll be able to, like that, pop back out. That works with those particular applications you just saw, and none other for now, but it'll be expanded in the future. Pretty cool stuff.